And moving on to global update, the U.S. budget deficit rose to $2.71 trillion through August, on track to be the second largest shortfall in history. Meanwhile, North Korea has tested a new long-range cruise missile capable of hitting much of Japan, state media said on Monday. And more stories on today's International Minute. The U.S. budget deficit rose to $2.71 trillion through August, on track to be the second largest shortfall in history due to trillions of dollars in COVID relief. In its monthly budget report, the Treasury Department said Monday that the deficit for the first 11 months of this budget year is 9.9% less than the imbalance during the same period last year. For the entire budget year, which ends September 30, the Congressional Budget Office is forecasting a deficit of $3 trillion, which would be just below the record deficit of $3.13 trillion set last year. The UK government has cancelled an agreement to buy at least 100 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine from the French pharmaceutical startup Valneva, after alleging that the company breached its contract obligations. Valneva shares plummeted Monday on the news from the United Kingdom, the only country that had made a firm commitment to buy the company's vaccine. The stock was down 40% at 12.02 euros in afternoon trading in Europe after falling as low as 11 euros. North Korea has tested a new long-range cruise missile capable of hitting much of Japan, state media said on Monday. The weekend test saw missiles traveling up to 1,500 kilometers or 930 miles, the official KCNA news agency said. It suggests North Korea is still capable of developing weapons despite food shortage and an economic crisis. The U.S. military said the latest test posed threats to the international community, and neighboring Japan said it has significant concerns. The United Arab Emirates is seeking to grow economic ties with Israel to more than $1 trillion over the next decade, Economy Minister Abdullah bin Togh said Monday, strengthening a year-old relationship that's already produced billions of dollars worth of business. The Gulf country has signed over 60 memorandums of understanding with Israel since normalizing relations in 2020 and is expecting an influx of trade in the next 2 years. The UAE was looking at sectors including defense, energy and food security. IDX Channel reports.